her career in 2002, Miss Vasudha and her husband, Mr. Sanjay, who is, by the way, a Unani doctor by profession, became the destination marketeer. So they took a plunge and started their own venture, outbound marketing, to cater to the demand for new markets approaches in hotel sales and marketing. The group represents international hotel chains, National Tourism Board, and handles branding and PR assignments for several prestigious Indian and international organizations. Ms. Vasudha and her highly motivated teams are responsible to deliver clients' contractual obligations, namely sales solutions, marketing and PR campaign, branding concepts, and strategies. Ms. Vasudha is also the driving force behind the sales and strategies in our company, and her specialty lies in delivering numbers and revenues. She has won several awards, named the Enterprising Woman, Businesswoman for the year 2019 by AIMA. Among several other awards, Ms. Vasudha and her team have, as well as the group companies, are consistently challenging the benchmark and winning laurels everywhere. Ms. Vasudha also, along with her husband, set up Parwada Bungalows in 2018. A chance trip to Uttarakhand motivated them to buy a fruit orchard, and now that is run successfully as a yoga retreat. During the course of this setting up this retreat, Ms. Vasudha and her and I also partnered with Arohi and an NGO and La Meridian New Delhi to assist in setting up the home stay in village of Poera in Uttarakhand. This project was handheld and trained, audited, and finally setting up of a cooperative. Ms. Vasudha and her team at Parwada Bungalows also set up the woman self-help group, SICO, and the woman group now makes and sells handicraft, including wool items. Through Annapurna Charitable Foundation, she has worked in the district of Haldia, West Bengal, where it was ravaged by the cyclone Amphan, where she helped the village set up again. Ms. Vasudha enjoys excellent relationship with travel agents, tour operators, airline, corporates, and media and government due to her ability to strategize, be it destination, hotel, or branding. Her approach is cautiously optimistic and keeps her ahead of curve, and her ability to unlearn to learn, very useful word these days, has made her a professional face of the industry. Her efforts have extended across boarding the marketing reach to conceiving new destinations and experience and concepts. She is an avid reader, likes to experiment with food, and loves an element of mystery in her adventure, in her travel. She is also the Uttarakhand State President for WICCI Hospitality and Tourism Council, and is also a very active member of FICCI Flow, which is the largest body for women entrepreneurs in Asia. Ms. Vasudha absolutely loves the hospitality and tourism industry, and she says she would never be anywhere else. And finally, her mantra is every day is a new day and every challenge is new. You can never have a boring day syndrome. Absolutely love the last line there. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today. I take this opportunity to request you to share your business professional experience with us.
Thank you so much. I just sent off a profile and you just read the whole thing through. I'm a little embarrassed because I like to stay usually below the radar. But being mindful of time, I believe I have precisely 3 minutes to say what I want to say. But I'll start by thanking the organizers of IDEA, Mr. Vemula, members of IDEA, definitely Mr. Sridharan, who who I happen to know very well and who recommended my name for this. And all the special invitees, thank you so much. I'm very honored to be part of this session. So since you've already said everything about what I do, that's not what I'm going to speak about. I'm just going to speak about 3 or 4 things that have actually driven me. I'm a first generation businesswoman. My husband is a second generation businessman, and he motivated me and helped me to set up my business exactly 20 years ago. So I think the first thing for me was wealth creation. Because right from the first day of my working, when I was 21 years old, I've always believed in giving to other people. And even when I started my business, I always wanted that my band or my team should also live a profitable life. They should also raise the bar in how they live. So I think wealth creation is a mantra that I follow. The second point I would talk about is customers come second. That is a philosophy that my company lives by. And you may be surprised because you'd say customer is king. Yes, customer is king. But if customer is king, then your team is the monarch. So I always believe in keeping my team together, motivating my team so that they deliver exceptional service and exceptional objectives are achieved. And therefore, the customer is always going to be happy. So customer comes second is my second mantra. My third mantra is, which is also there in my profile, is learn, unlearn, and learn again. And if nothing else, the last 2 years of COVID has taught us some very, very harsh lessons. And therefore, I think it is really important to stay soft and flexible in your approach and have the ability to say, no, what I learned in the last 10 years has been baggage, put it down to experience, but I need to now start thinking fresh. And that's what is going to keep you ahead of the curve. The fourth point is help people to grow. And I think some of the other special invitees and even our keynote speaker address this point, that you need to help people to grow, and you need to do it selflessly, and you need to do it with your 100%. It's not just, okay, I'll try and help in my spare time. It shouldn't be like that. If some professional comes to you for help, you have to give them your all in order for them to grow. So I think these are really my points, and this is what has driven my business, and this is what has driven me to achieve my objectives. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your experience. It was indeed incredible 4 points I have taken note of. Now, I